Meaning of distillate.
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 Distillate. Distillate refers to a concentrated liquid that is obtained through the process of distillation. Distillation involves heating a liquid mixture to vaporize the volatile components, which are then cooled and condensed back into a liquid form. The result is a highly purified and concentrated liquid that contains the essential components of the original mixture. Distillates can be found in a variety of industries, including pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, and petroleum refining. They are often used for their purity and concentration, as well as their ability to enhance or modify the properties of other substances.